Today we're going to talk about the SketchUp OpenStudio User Scripts, and those are located in Extensions-OpenStudio User Scripts, and it's all of these right here. And these are all written using Ruby programming language. And in particular, I'm going to show you how to locate the Ruby files and how to edit those. I'm going to give a real easy example. So there's a handy user script in here that renames thermal zones based on space names. And if we have a space name and we want to have the thermal zone name also very similar to that space name, so it's easier to locate the information in the output files, you can use this user script. And what it does is it just puts a prefix on the space name, and that's what it calls the thermal zone. So the prefix in this instance is thermal zone, and then it uses the space name. Although this is handy, it does tend to make the thermal zone names very long, and sometimes they don't fit on the whole page. So I like to shorten those up with just TZ, and that makes it easier to read. So, how do you locate the Ruby file for this user script? What you need to do is go to your computer, your hard drive, and then you would go to users, your username, and then app data, roaming, and we'll search for SketchUp and the SketchUp version that you're using. SketchUp again, plugins, OpenStudio, and then we can go to User Scripts, and I think it's on the Alter or Add Model Elements submenu. Yes. So we'll go to Alter or Add Model Elements, and then we need to search for it. Here we go. Rename thermal zones based on space names. And you can see it's a Ruby file, a .rb file. So this is the program that renames those space names. So we'll double click to edit it. And the quickest way to find that information is just to search for this string of text. So we'll do find. We'll do find in the open document and find all. And you can see it found one instance here. And so this is it. This is the string of text that puts the prefix on those thermal zone names. So let's get rid of some of these spaces, and we're just going to change it to TZ. And we'll hit save. That saves the Ruby file. And we have to close out of SketchUp and reopen it. And this recompiles the program. So we've reopened it, and you can see right now it's thermal zone. And if we rerun this user script, and we look at the thermal zones again, you can see it has been now shortened to simply just TZ. So that is how you edit the OpenStudio user scripts and in the Ruby programming language. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.